That's how my wigs last, okay? I don't be washing them joints. I spray them down and get out the door.
Oh my mama, oh my hood, I look fly, yeah, I look good.
Well, how you doing? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wine. I do. Okay, instead Stella. Where's my cup? I mean, it's mine. Now today's wig is a flip over sew-in V-part wig with no leave out. I mean, this is my hair right here, but my ends are tucked. There's no leave out up in here. That's the wig. Hello? I'ma show you. I installed this wig under 10. That was 20. 10. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new construction for their V-part wigs. It does come with the updated natural flip over around the V-part for the instant sew-in, which can alleviate having leave out. We're gonna see, because y'all know my hair is short and I ain't trying to do all that. But it also has the drawstring in the back so you can tighten down your wig for a more conform fit around your head. Depending on your head size, you may need to loosen or tighten down the wig or not do anything at all, because you know, big head gang gang, we need the space. Let me just cut off these straps in the middle. Y'all know I'm not really a fan of the clips or the combs in the front of the wig, but again, when it comes to these U-part, V-part wigs, y'all know those are on there. So we're gonna use them sparingly. So let me take off my wig cap for a second. I'm gonna spray down my hair first, and we're gonna try to do the bump out method a little bit further. There we go. Hopefully this goes by really fast, because I gotta get out the house pretty quickly today, and I don't have time to be fooling around with this wig. Pull it all the way back. Let me tighten it down some. I did wash my wig with my dish soap, and I also used my silicone mix to soften the hair. And because I did that, the hair has that silicone smell. I'm gonna use my hair perfume to just kind of help with that a little bit. Hopefully I'm not making a new smell doing that. No, okay. It covered that right up, so that's good. This wig does seem like a little dark. Let me open my comb so I can see where I want it to be. I want it to be right here on that part. Just gonna bunch up my parting space a little bit, bring it right there, and clip it. For this part, I'm gonna clip this and make it shorter. Open this up, bring it over and clip it to that one, so I can shorten up my parting space. And now I have it a little bit shorter, I can clip it like that. That looks a mess right now, but we're gonna fix it. Stretch it over. I think that's where I want it. I believe. You can see here, it doesn't look bad, but I can do better. Now, it's not gonna tease up the way I want because the root is straight. So I'm gonna take my curler here, and I'm gonna curl as close as I can over this way, towards the part, so I can flip it over. Hold it, and then let it go. Again, the hair is flipped over the track. So you can see here, that's a track, and then they flip the hair over like that to give you that look. Okay, I'm gonna take my comb, and I'm gonna tease the hair down. Bump out my edges. I do want a frizzy look. I don't want the curls to be perfect. The more frizzy this unit looks, the natural it will look for my texture. Don't worry, I will fix this part over here. Keep on teasing. See my roots in there? Just gonna bring those out a little bit, just to add a little bit more definition right here. A little bit more teasing in the front. Okay, keep playing with it, just to get your bump right. Okay, for this side, I just want it to be covered. I don't like how it's sitting and I don't feel like changing it. So I'm just gonna put a piece over it and bobby pin it down. I may need to cut this because obviously it's a little bit longer. Use my Eco Styler, lay that right on top, like so. Pin that down. If I can get my pin in there, here we go. Smooth, baby. Brush that back. Hold up, my wig then got bunched up over here. Maybe I don't need to cut it. A little bit, a little cutting. Just like that. Let me add some gel right up in here. Get back in there. Tease this down. Tease it, tease it. Tease up the back. Because my hair is short, I'm gonna use an extra bobby pin right here in the front just to make sure it's gonna stay. I can't be having my wig shifting throughout the day, okay? That's a bar. Use a little bit of my Toppik right here. There we go. Brush that out. Perfect. A little bit right here. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And put a little gel right here on my edges. I can still see my cap in there. Hold up. Ha! There we go. And now we are done. Let me get a drink of water. I deserve that because y'all see this wig? I'm gonna show y'all real close how that's looking. This is leave out, obviously that's me. And then this is me right here, but it's bumped under the wig. This was a very quick install for me because I already knew how I wanted it to look out the pack. But Nadula, come sit. We gotta work on some things for this wig. I think the drawstring on this wig needs to go to the regular drawstring that you push and then you pull and then it locks. You need that drawstring because the one that's on here right now, it loosens. If I even shift the wig, it's coming apart. So I would definitely say update the drawstring for this wig. The sew in, no leave out type of look. I feel like you are on the right track with this, but I'm not sure how that will work with a straighter texture. With the curly units, it'll be more forgiving because you can hide those tracks. However, with the straighter units, it may not work out as such. You may need to use leave out. And if you use leave out, you need it to be flat. And with that sew in look flip over, it creates a smidge of a hump. So it's not gonna lay flat. I would definitely say work on that part, figure out exactly how you want it to lay, and then kind of go from there. For the curly unit, I do wish the curl went all the way to the root, but I know normally for the more fast fashion wigs, the curls never really go to the root. So, you know, it's nothing for me to like harp on. I just used my mini curler and added some curls in the front, and that was fine. I think the final look is gorgeous. I really do like this for me. Y'all saw how I kind of pretty much bunched mine together, clipped it together to kind of alleviate some of that parting space. When it comes to these V part, U part units, I don't feel like you need such a big parting space. It literally comes from the front all the way to the middle. And more than likely you're gonna have leave out, so you don't need that much wig. Does that make sense? Make them a little bit shorter or make them different sizes so we can choose which one we want based on, you know, what we're doing to our hair. Oh, one more thing. What color is this? This looks like a jet black. It doesn't give me the vibe of the natural color that I'm used to for Nadula. And when I wash this wig, I can tell the difference in the texture. And normally that happens when I get a jet black wig. So I'm just wondering what color this is, but you know, she still came out cute. Me teasing my unit, I will have a lot of shedding and tangling when I go into, you know, wash her again, but y'all know they ain't gonna be for another year. So that's how my wigs last, okay? I don't be washing them joints. I spray them down and get out the door. Watch my wig updates, you'll see. But let me go ahead and get up out of here. Your girl got a lunch date. So that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.